Okay, just a quick one. Finished doing the spare key for Range Rover Sport 54 plate, and just wanted to run through, just because I couldn't find any videos. I found videos of where the EWS was, but no videos of what you need to take off, etc. So I finished doing the job now, just because I was sort of working my way through it, but just so even if you use the video as a point of reference and I save people an hour, it's worth doing. So essentially, the EWS is in here, and to get that off, this comes off, this will just pop out, this also, and then you've got Torx bits. You've got one there, one that side, one here, one there, and then there's another one here and here. This part, this will just lift out like that, and you've got another two under there. Once you've got those out, so once you've got them 8 Torx bits out, the rest of it is just like, obviously the gator is just clipped in. You can pull this off. There's some plugs here. I didn't disconnect them, I just lifted all of this up. This all lifts up once it's unscrewed. It's just trim. Ignition stays in, this bit comes out with the trim, and then you've got this whole piece, this whole section is one piece up here, and this arm that you can see, that it'll just lift out. Once it's lifted out, there's a 1/8mm bolt that holds the EWS in. You undo that, and then I lifted it up and pushed it, unplugged it, and then pushed it out that way. It's a little bit fiddly, but having never done it before, obviously when this all lifts out, you can chuck this, if you're doing spare keys, just chuck this into reverse, obviously keep your foot on the brake, to unhook, to get this clear of this piece. So once that's back, you can push this back and lift it up. Once that's all done, I've done the chip on the bench. I read it with AK90, and then loaded the bin file into Autel to write the chip. I used an Exhaust Super Chip and Exhaust Remote, and then once that's done, remote procedure for Exhaust is ignition on, then back, and then it's hold, unlock, and then push lock 8 times, release both at the same times, and that should cycle it in. You have to cycle the original in if you've got one. These original ones are 3 times, so you hold the unlock button and then push the lock button 3 times, release it, and you'll hear the lock cycle. These ones are a bit of a pain because they don't have like a physical button. It's like a plastic sheet that goes over the top that creates the button. You have to just persevere with them, but both remotes have to be programmed in at the same time, to my knowledge. Alright, even if it saves you sort of 20 minutes, half hour, good stuff. Cheers.